is an automatic transmission with an air shift PTO. You lever for your body up and down, and you have your Tarp switch, which we'll be showing here shortly on the outside view. So in order to engage your PTO being an air shift, we will have to engage the transmission into a gear. In this particular vehicle, we're gonna select it into a reverse, kick in, push down on the red PTO switch, and push up on the yellow lever. PTO now is engaged. I'm gonna go ahead and return back to parking. Select the body raise. Hold it, and then we're gonna lower it. As soon as you lower it, PTO switch kicks out automatically just for safety reasons. Return it back to neutral. Make sure it's in neutral, otherwise the PTO, if it's engaged on the out position, the PTO switch will hesitate to shift into gear due to the lever is on the down or the up or the out position. So make sure it's on the neutral in order to go ahead and put this PTO switch on. Tarp switch, like I said, we'll show all those functions here next. If you do want to dump while you're in motion, just basically same deal, go ahead and put it in drive. When it's in drive, turn on switch, and then as soon as you move forward, PTO engages, and at this point you can go ahead and just raise up your body, and the body will be raising up as you go along, and which I'll be showing that in the next video.